Welcome to this episode. This week, the president, our dear president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, was in Bayelsa. One interesting thing that happens is that the security agents were now dragging traffic, although they were throwing punch and this.
What happened in Bayelsa about the military fighting with the police? Nigerian politicians, public office holders, and those who are in leadership positions, they like the chaos because that is where they make their money from. The fortunate thing for them now is that because people have smart phones and cameras, they can easily record them and put it out on social media. My worry is that what was the army doing on the road? People don't keep money in houses again. Okay. They've converted it into Bitcoin and Ethereum and all those. People are using drones now. We are still talking about body-worn camera. We are far behind.
In the UK here, they use facial recognition.
All my many years in the United Kingdom, I've never seen a soldier on the road.
Incidents happened. It was one person's word against the other. It was the former governor of Lagos State became an investigative journalist. Use of this body-worn camera. Nigerian police didn't even need the judgment of the court to begin to implement this.
But why is it that it is the court that will tell police to do that? They always find a way to remove the thing that will hold them accountable. That act alone is supposed to have been spearheaded by the police as it is in their own interest. The Nigerian police and security is a symbol of disorder. The army, they were basically fighting with the police.
So Nigerians need to know this, who the police are working for.